Hello beautiful souls, welcome to my channel Mystical Ani. So today we are going to do a monthly reading for Taurus for February 2026. This is a general reading guys, please take what resonates with you and leave the rest. For more accurate and personal readings you can reach out to me. My email ID is given in the description of this video and also on my channel's info. So in this reading we will see the overall energy for you Taurus for February, the key challenges and obstacles, actions or advice, strength and opportunities and the probable outcome. At the end we will also take a guiding message from the angel and ancestors deck, so please do stay till the end. Okay, so let's see what do the cards have here for Taurus. Sorry. Overall energy for Taurus please for February. Overall energy for Taurus for February. Okay, got it. Let's see what are the key challenges we have for Taurus. Key challenges we have for Taurus. Sorry. Key challenges for Taurus for February. Key challenges for Taurus. Okay. Alright, let's clarify Three of Pentacles as a challenge for Taurus. Please clarify Three of Pentacles. I'll take one. Okay. Let's see what are the actions or advice we have for you, Taurus. Actions or advice for Taurus. Oh, please clarify the Death card. The action. Okay, got it. You see it? Something ended here. Okay, let's see what are the strengths and opportunities we have for Taurus. Okay, please clarify the Hermit card. Please clarify the Hermit card. Please clarify the Hermit card for Taurus. Please clarify the Hermit. Wow. Let's see what's the probable outcome we have for Taurus. Probable outcome for Taurus. Outcome for Taurus. Okay. Outcome for Taurus. Please clarify Two of Swords. The probable outcome for Taurus. Probable outcome for Taurus. I'll take one, the one which came top. Okay. Alright. So the overall energy for you Taurus I see is you are walking away from something. Okay. You're walking away from something which is not serving you anymore, or where you don't feel like you belong. It's like, you feel you belong to a table and you become a part of the discussion or the group. But here what is happening I see for you in February is you are walking away from something. Now it can be a workplace where you don't feel there is a growth, there is support, there is emotional support, motivation, and you are walking away towards a new path in your career. For some of you it can be walking away from a connection which is not giving you that a sense of fulfillment or being understood, being seen in that connection. So you are deciding to walk away. Okay, you are not feeling being a part here. You are feeling there is a lack, there is something which is missing in the connection. It can be that you are there in the connection, but you are not there. You're getting it right. Emotionally आपको कोई support नहीं है, आपको आप सबके साथ होते हुए भी आपको अकेला लग रहा है, and now you're deciding to move away or walk away from that group, that connection, that situation. Okay, that is what I'm seeing here, and you are ready to explore something new, something which might give you peace. Okay, yeah, ready to explore something maybe completely different from what you have been believing. आपका belief change हो रहा है for some of you, I strongly see. you're ready to break a particular cycle, a particular pattern, and you are like, I am not ready to continue what has been happening, and I am breaking it up and breaking it out, and I am walking away from it, okay, for my own good, is what I'm seeing. And that needs a lot of courage. That's good, because you have the strength card again. Yeah. And walking away needs a lot of strength, right? Breaking something which is not easy, or where you're not feeling like you belong, and you're walking away. Walking away alone is what also I'm getting here. Because then we also have the Hermit card. Okay. Okay, let's see. So the obstacle here is, you're not expressing. Okay, now I get it. You're not expressing what is bothering you, what emotional up and down you're going through, and you're not communicating it. You might be thinking that there's no point in saying, nobody will understand, and now I want to walk away. Okay, I don't want to be a part of the group where I don't feel heard, where I don't feel acknowledged, where I don't feel understood, where I don't feel seen, and I don't want to be a part of it anymore, and I'm walking away from it. Okay, for some of you, I see that you are, you might be feeling isolated, and you're not communicating it, as I said, right? So सबके साथ होते हुए भी आप अकेला आपको महसूस हो रहा होगा. You might be feeling lonely, even if you are between 10 members. Okay, is what I am getting here. So that is an obstacle, is what I am seeing for you, Taurus. So try to work on your communication if there is a possibility, and if there is something which is very close to you, just try to speak to your closed one, your most trusted people. Okay, is what I'm getting here for you. I also see that you might be, for some, it can be for very few and specific of you, that there can be some kind of financial stress. Okay, financial stress, as in you are not able to, or you're going through some kind of financial issue, or maybe the kind of reward you were waiting, the kind of return you were waiting, you have not got it, and you are somewhere struggling in your finances, and because of that you are thinking that you should start something which can give you much more financial growth, is also what I'm getting here. And because of that, you are walking away from something, that now I want to focus on my growth, and I don't have time to entertain any drama, or any, I don't have time to waste, basically, and I want to focus on my growth, and I will do that, and that will happen when I cut off all the unnecessary connections from my life, so that I can be more focused towards my goal and be more determined, is also I'm getting here. But it can be for very few and specific of you. Okay. All right. So the action or advice here is, as I said, something is ending. Something is ending here. And for very few, again, it can be an end of a connection. Okay, walking away from a connection which was very near to you, very closed connection. It can be ending of a partnership also for some of you, where there was betrayal, there was pain, emotional heaviness, and now you want to walk away. Something is ending here. This is no coincidence that all these cards have come together. Okay, so something which is not making you feel fulfilled, something which is not, where you don't feel seen, heard, and acknowledged, loved, emotionally supported, that is ending. Okay, it can be for very few of you that, I don't know, for Aries also it came that something bad, emotional heaviness kind of thing. And for you also, I'm getting here, February is a month of love, right? So I don't know, but yeah, so these are the energies I'm getting here. So something is ending. Okay, some kind of connection is ending here. I also see for some of you, it can be the with the person with whom the connections are ending, there is a, a pattern which needs to break. Okay, is what I'm getting here. So something heavy to deal with, and you have to focus on healing yourself. Okay, don't focus on जो चला गया है, या जो आपको जहाँ से आपको सपोर्ट नहीं मिल रहा, उनके लिए नहीं. यू हैव टू फोकस ऑन सेल्फ लव एंड सेल्फ हीलिंग. फोकस टूवर्ड जो आप केयर, कंसर्न, लव आप जो दूसरों को दे रहे थे, you need to turn it towards you. You need to pour your heart first with love, care, nurturing energies. You need to heal yourself. Focus on self love, focus on self healing. Because जब आप अपना ध्यान रखते हो तो you feel good, right? And when you feel good, you have pure intentions, you will attract the same kind of people, situations, energies around in your life. Okay, so just try to focus on healing yourself, whatever it is. Okay, whatever you are dealing with at an emotional level, just try to just shift that to that love, care, concern towards you before others. Okay, sometimes it's like you need to focus on healing yourself first, and then only you can heal and love others unconditionally, right? So try to focus on that. And it's not so easy to set boundaries. Okay, जब आप boundary set कर लेते हो, so people will like, ये selfish हो गया है, you are being selfish, you are being rude, you are being blunt, you are not respecting others, you have changed. It's okay, sometimes you have to change for your own good, right? So it's okay. People who genuinely love you, who genuinely care for you, will not question your boundaries. Okay, they will accept it because they will understand why you have done it and why you need to do it. And those who genuinely, who are not so having that concern for you, will always disrespect your boundaries, right? So try to understand that difference, and try to have or keep only those connections who are genuinely happy for you, for your growth, for your well-being, who genuinely care for you. Okay, so just try to understand that difference and keep only those who are actually your people. Okay, that is also what I'm getting here. Now, the action or advice, the strength and opportunity for you, Taurus, I see is, you are dealing with the situation with so much of maturity, which is the need of an hour, right? So आपको बहुत patience, बहुत maturity के साथ, बहुत धीरज के साथ, बहुत strength के साथ आपको इस situation को deal करना है. Because when you are dealing with something which is so heavy to deal with, it's very common that you panic, you get frustrated, and you lose your temper. And वो बहुत common हो जाता है कि जब हम किसी हैवी चीज़ से डील करते हैं, तो हमारा गुस्सा होना, उस फ्रस्ट्रेशन को दूसरों पे रिलीज करना, बहुत इट्स लाइक रिएक्शन, राइट? बट आपको उस चीज़ पे नहीं जाना है. रैदर यू नीड टू, एज आई सेड, आपको वो ध्यान अपने ऊपर लाना है, आप वो केयर आपको अपने ऊपर लेके आनी है. यू नीड टू फोकस ऑन योर वेल बीइंग, एंड दैट यू कैन डू व्हेन जब आप बाहर के हर नॉइज को हटा के आप अपने साथ टाइम स्पेंड करते हो. एंड स्पेंडिंग टाइम विद योर सेल्फ नीड्स सो मच ऑफ करेज. हीलिंग इज नॉट समथिंग जहाँ पे आप दूसरों का सपोर्ट लेते हो. द हीलिंग इज द मोस्ट डिफिकल्ट फेज. ओके, जहाँ पे आपको अपने आप से कनेक्ट होके अपने हर इमोशन को फेस करते हुए आपको उस टाइम को, उस सिचुएशन को डील करना है. एंड इट नीड्स सो मच ऑफ मेच्योरिटी, सो मच ऑफ पेशेंस, एंड सो मच ऑफ लव for yourself. Okay, so and that needs strength. Okay, so these two cards all are the major arcana cards. See, you have all the major arcana cards, so this can be a turning phase in your life. Okay, जहाँ पे आपको चीज़ों को समझने की ज़रूरत है. ओके, मे बी यू नीड टू आइसोलेट योर सेल्फ. थोड़ा सा आप अगर मेडिटेशन नहीं करते हो, देन देयर इज दिस एडवाइस इज फॉर यू टू मेडिटेट. ओके, जब आप मेडिटेट करोगे तो आपको अपने इमोशंस को समझने की ताकत मिलती है, राइट? यू गेट दैट स्ट्रेंथ टू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट यू आर गोइंग थ्रू एट एन इंटरनल लेवल. ओके, आप दूसरों को दिखा सकते हो यू आर हैपनिंग, यू आर हैप्पी, यू आर सेलिब्रेटिंग, यू आर एंजॉइंग योर लाइफ, बट डीप डाउन व्हाट इज हैपनिंग यू ओनली नो दैट, राइट? एंड यू डोंट नीड टू एक्सप्रेस इट टू एनीवन. द इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग इज, आप अपने आप को समझ रहे हो, आप अपनी सिचुएशन, अपने इमोशंस को डील कर रहे हो. दैट इज द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग, एंड दैट नीड्स सो मच ऑफ करेज एंड स्ट्रेंथ. ओके, सो दैट इज व्हाट द एडवाइस here I have for you, Taurus, through the cards, कि just try to बाहर के हल्ले को दूर करो, थोड़ा अपने आप टाइम, अपने साथ टाइम स्पेंड करो. Try to face and try to focus on what is that you are being taught from this painful situation, and deal with it with patience, with maturity. Okay, that is, and with courage, of course, right? So that will help you to understand the situation and what phase of your life, or in which area of your life you are being tested, and where you need to change yourself and bring that change in yourself, and focus that love, care for your own well-being, so that you come out with much more brighter, with much more wisdom. Okay, that is what I'm getting here for you, Taurus. Now the outcome here is, again, as I said, some pattern is breaking, right? Initially, as I said, it is not so easy to deal with the with the situation, right? You have the Three of Swords, you have the Death card, you have the Hermit, you have the Strength card, and you have the Tower. So these are the, all the major arcana cards. So as I said, for some of you it can be, for very few and specific, that there is a major shift in your life is happening, and that major shift is because of some kind of pain, some kind of betrayal, some kind of a end of a painful situation, or a painful cycle, or a end of a pattern. Okay, that you're walking away from something which is not good for you anymore, and now you're ready to release, you're ready to break that chain. Okay, so उस तरह की energy है, and doing that is not always easy. You will be in dilemma. I don't know what do I do, I don't know the next step, I'm not able to see clearly, I'm not able to think clearly. उस तरह की energy आएगी, but you have to understand that अगर आपका फाउंडेशन वीक है तो आप उसमें you can't construct anything on it, right? So this is a tower movement. Tower movement is basically something old which is breaking, okay, breaking apart, so that something new can be created on it, right? So this, as I said, this is not an easy thing to deal with. Okay, you have both the, you know how do I say, both the heavy cards. Okay, so February month for you Taurus is going to be a dicey month. Dicey as in, not able to understand, something unexpected happening, and you are, just, I don't know what to do, I don't know what to do. I am not clear, I'm not able to think clearly, I'm not able to see clearly, I'm not able to decide anything. उस तरह की energy है. So just try to हैव पेशेंस. उसके लिए आपको इस एनर्जी में आने की ज़रूरत है, सो दैट यू कैन सी क्लियरली, थिंक क्लियरली, एंड टेक द स्टेप अकॉर्डिंगली. ओके, सो दिस एनर्जी इज बेसिकली द मेडिटेशन एनर्जी. आप अपने आप से जुड़ो, आपको अपनी स्ट्रेंथ को पहचानने की ज़रूरत है. आपको इट्स लाइक आपको पता है, आप deep down that you're capable of overcoming any challenges, but आपके situation में आपके the people around might make you feel नहीं यार तू नहीं कर पाएगा, नहीं यार तू नहीं कर पाएगी, पता नहीं how you will deal with it. Don't let that negative thing doubt yourself. Okay, आप अपने उस चीज को, आप लोगों के ओपिनियन को आप इतना इंपॉर्टेंस मत दो कि आप अपने ऊपर डाउट करने लग जाओ, राइट? सो जस्ट कीप दैट इन माइंड. यू विल बी एबल, you will overcome all the challenges, but you have to connect with yourself. Okay, so there is something which needs to change. Okay, and this will be a turning point also, I see, for some of you in your life. Okay, so जो भी है आपको patience नहीं छोड़ना है. Okay, once you have that patience and once you have the clarity, you will overcome this Two of Swords energy, which is not being able to see clearly. आप उससे overcome कर लोगे, but उसके लिए आपको इस energy में जाने की ज़रूरत है, which is the meditation energy, connecting with yourself, expressing your emotions, or taking the charge of a situation with maturity and strength. Okay, with patience also. All right. Okay, Taurus, this month looks heavy to deal with, but you will overcome it. Okay, now let's see what is the guiding message we have for you. What is the guiding message we have for you? What is the guiding message we have for you? All right. Okay. See, I'll take both. So first card is the drum card, which is dream and journey. Okay, so this is this is not something too easy to deal with. आप अपने dreams को follow करने के लिए आपको बहुत challenges को face करना होता है, right? So just keep that in mind, that you will overcome whatever challenges are coming your way, and you will ultimately reach towards your goal. And then we have the spring. You see your seeds grow. Maybe by the coming spring, you will definitely look back and see that whatever happened has made you a different person. You kind of understood your own strength, and you have become much better. Okay, so by coming spring, expect to see the results of the challenges you are going through and how you're overcoming it. You will get the results of it, and you will see the fruits of your hard work and your dream. Okay, to achieve your dream, you need to overcome your fears and understand and face your challenges with so much of courage and strength. So just don't give up on any situation. Don't let other opinion demotivate you or create self-doubt, and focus towards your goal. Okay, with strength, maturity, patience, love for yourself, self-love, self-care, self-healing energy, and spending some time with yourself by understanding your own emotions. Okay, so this is a message I have for you, Taurus, for February. Please claim the positive energy from this reading. If you have liked it, please do like this video, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, I request you to please subscribe to my channel for daily tarot insights. Bye bye.